Hi, my name is Jill Ferreira, Jillfrereira. My majors are anthropology and psychology, and yes, I give full permission to use this footage for UMass Boston and Student Health 101.
Thank you very much. So, Jill, we're going to be asking a couple questions about your consumption during times of stress. So, the first being, how would you describe your caffeine consumption during times of stress?
It's pretty intense. I drink a lot of coffee, especially in times where there's a lot more going on. So because there's a lot of papers, tests, appointments, I'm not sleeping as much, and I'm drinking a lot more
Okay.
caffeine.
How about your food consumption?
I actually find it to be a lot inconsistent, and also just kind of whatever is around, whatever is available. I don't go grocery shopping as much when I'm under stress, so I tend to eat the scraps of whatever is around in my apartment.
Yeah. Do you notice any differences between when you're bored and when you're stressed in terms of consumption, or are they relatively the same?
When I'm bored, I actually enjoy eating snack foods. Just when I'm reading or when I'm watching a movie or something, I just find that I'm snacking a lot because it's enjoyable and I have time to enjoy. So, yeah.
Well, thank you very much. Any other information you want to add to that conversation, or?
I don't think so.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.